Right. Right. Gumas versus Parlokamde match. This is second match. Match is start. Yes. This is second match. Gumas versus Parlokamde. Service goes to Parlokamde. Match is running. This is the afternoon match. Second match. Gumas versus Parlokamde. Yes. This is home ground from Parlokamde. Second match. Guma versus Parlokamde. What a match. Afternoon match. Second match. What a playing players. This is second match. Babani versus Anando. Gumas captain Babani. Parlokamde captain Anand. Match is running. What a play. What a taken. Yes. Match is second match. Afternoon match. Parlokamde versus Gumas. Service goes to Parlokamde. 1-0. 1-0. Yes. What a shot. 1-0. Match is running. Parlokamde versus Guma. Parlokamde points 1. Guma 0. Match is running. This is afternoon match. Second match. Home ground Parlokamde. Parlokamde versus Guma. Match is running. Big teams, big players, big match. This is afternoon match. Yes. What a playing players. Right, 2-0 service goes to Parlokamde. 2-0. Parlokamde points 2 and Gumas 0. Yes, is running. This is second match. Afternoon match. What a shot. 3-0. 3-0. Guma versus Parlokamde. What a match. Afternoon match. This is second match. Guma versus Parlokamde. What a shot. What a taken. Yes. Match is running. 0-3. Service goes to Gumas player. 0-3. What a taken. What a dive by player Gumas. Yes. Match is running. Service goes to Parlokamde 3-0. 3-0. What a shots. What a takens. 3-0. Parlokamde points 3 and Guma 0. Match is running. This is second match. Guma versus Parlokamde. Home ground Parlokamde. Very interesting match. Afternoon match. Parlokamde captains Anand and Gumas captain Babani. What a taken by Parlokamde player Mohan. What a dive. Yes. This is a very interesting match. 4-0 service goes to Parlokamde. 4-0. 4-0. Parlokamde points 4 and Guma 0. Match is running. Very interesting match. Challenging match. Gumma versus Parlokamdi. Parlokamdi players and Gumma's players playing well. What a playing by players. This is afternoon match, second match, Gumma versus Parlokamdi. What a shot. Match is running. What a match. Who is impact player? Yes. What a taken. What a shot. Wow. 5-0. Service goes to Parlokamdi player Suresh. 5-0. Yes, match is running. Very interesting match. Afternoon match. Weather is good. Players is good. Good ground. What a match. What a shot by Babani. Yes. This is a prestige match. Right, 0-5. Service goes to Gumma's captain Babani. 0-5. This is the afternoon match. Gumma's versus Parlokamdi match. Second match. 0-5. Match is running. Good players. Two team players are playing as well. Gumma's players and Parlokamdi players. Very effective players. What a shot. What a taken. Service goes to Gumma's. 1-5. What a match. 1-5. Gumma's open point. 1 point. And Parlokamdi 5 points. Match is running. This is the second match. Service goes to Parlokamdi. 5-1. Score 5-1. What a match. What a game. This is afternoon game. 6-1. Service goes to Parlokamdi player Suresh. 6-1. What a place. What a taken. Yes. This game. Challenging game. Chasing game. 6-1. What a shot. Yes. What a match. Yes. What a match. This afternoon is the second match. This is a second match. Gumma's versus Parlokamdi. This is home ground Parlokamdi. Gumma's captain Babani and Parlokamdi captains Anand. This is Anand versus Babani's match. Second match. Parlokamdi points 6 and Gumma's points 1. Match is running. What a playing players. What a play. Right, 7-1. Service goes to Parlokamdi player Suresh. 7-1. What a match. What a match. Oh, what a dive by Parlokamdi netter. What a match. What a playing players. 7-1. Score 7-1. Parlokamdi point 7. And Gumma's 1. Match is running. Very good game. Interesting game. What a match. Yes. 7-1. Match is running. This is a afternoon match. Gumma versus Parlokamdi. Parlokamdi point 7. Gumma's 1. Match is running. Who is win? Who is loss? Please watch this match. Very interesting match. This is challenging match. Two team players playing as well. Gumma's players and Parlokamdi players. playing well. What a match. Yes. 7-1. Porlock MD point 7. Gumas 1. Match is running. What a match. Afternoon match. Home ground Porlock MD. This is second match. Afternoon match. Porlock MD captain Anand and Gumas captain Babani. This is a big fight. Babani versus Anand. What a players playing as well. Yes, this is an interesting game. Taba volleyball from Porlock MD. Right, 8-1 service goes to Porlock MD. 8-1 Porlock MD points 8. Gumas 1. What a match. What a playing. Porlock MD plays. What a playing. Yes. Yes, this is a good game. What a taken. What a taken. Yes, this is second match.